Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this beautiful 36mm Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust. This watch is on the oyster bracelet, the two-tone yellow gold and stainless steel oyster bracelet. It has a gorgeous diamond bezel and this beautiful and very, very unique flower dial. This is the flower dial in the bronze color, and I just think it's such a fun and unique dial from Rolex. It's not one that you're going to see all of the time. I really like the brown, how it pairs with the yellow gold. I think it's a really warm and a good choice for this watch. And I really, really love the flower details on it. They're just so playful and whimsical and just really fun. I think Rolex can be very serious at times, but this just adds a lot of playfulness to the dial. I like how it's offset with these large Arabic numerals. And I just think it's such a gorgeous watch. It's such an unusual watch. So I think if you have absolutely fallen in love with this watch, if you want a watch that's really unusual and really, really fun from Rolex, you should check this one out at our website right now because we only have one. Check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.